guys, welcome to the day 18th of our coding challenge series, and today we are solving this problem, which is count prefixes of a given string. So we are given a string array of words and also given a string called s, where words I at position I and s comprise only of lowercase English letters. Return the number of strings and words that are a prefix of s. So a prefix of a string is a substring that occurs at the beginning of the string. A substring is a sequence of characters within a string. So we are given a string s, as you can see in the example 1, ABC, right? So the words array contains strings, and basically we have to check if the strings in the words which are prefix of s, right? So in the explanation you can see the strings in words which are a prefix of s, ABC, are a, this one, and this one, right? So prefix is basically if it starts with the letters this. So basically the words array would contain strings of length equal to this 3 or lesser than 3, right? Because basically we're checking if prefix of string s is inside the words array or not. So it cannot have something like a b c d e or a b c d, because it will exceed the length and it won't be a prefix, right? So thus the number of strings in words which are a prefix of s is 3. So basically we counted and then return the counter. So we can simply initialize a counter first, integer count equals to 0, and then we can run a loop over the words array, string word over the words array, string array. So if we can do like if s dot starts with word. So if s dot starts with word such as a or b or c or ab or bc or abc, then we simply increment the counter and then simply return count, and that's it. Let's run this. Okay, so the test case is passed. Let's submit it. Okay, so we got a perfect runtime which is of 0 milliseconds. So I hope you guys understood the solution, and if you have any questions you can ask them in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video.